Online tutoring is a great source of earning for people who have significant knowledge in a certain area of study and have the ability to teach. You are watching the right video if you're looking for online tutoring. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't miss any information. Many students require academic assistance. They may want assistance with a report they must present or a difficult research paper that they are unable to complete on time. At the same time, there are lots of well-educated persons who have the ability to assist these distressed kids in exchange for a fee. Your wages as an online tutor are determined by your education level, specialty, teaching experience, and the firm for which you work. Many online tutoring websites do not even require degrees or years of expertise. But before we go to websites, subscribe our channel if you have not yet and press the bell icon so you don't miss informative videos in future. So, let's get started with top online tutoring websites that can help you earn cash in return for your teaching skills. 1. Chegg.com. Chegg Tutors offers tutoring at all levels. Because of a wide range of disciplines available, this is a good option for all online tutors. Students in middle school, high school, college, and professionals are the intended audience. You will be recruited right away to give educational aid to difficult pupils, if you can show confirmation of your current or former studies, as well as your school grades. The average pay rate is $20 per hour that you can withdraw every week via PayPal. However, a more specific area of study will let you earn more. 2. TutorMe.com. TutorMe is yet another helpful platform for beginners, looking forward to providing academic assistance to students over the internet. All courses are offered, and you will be dealing with students from kindergarten to grade 12. Working hours are fairly flexible because you may choose your own timetable. Begin your application by filling out information about yourself and your education. Students can grade you using the two-way rating system, which helps you to earn more jobs as you gain experience. You'll start with a wage of $16 per hour, paid weekly via PayPal. The hour is computed based on the amount of time spent with each student that exceeds 5 minutes. 3. Tutor.com. With a staunch belief and clear vision of on-demand, one-to-one tutoring anytime, anywhere, Tutor.com is a legitimate tutoring company helping students of all grade levels, military families, and also providing corporate training. They're searching for tutors with competence in a variety of subjects, including AP, SAT prep, and even business. Before being approved as a tutor, you must complete an online application, pass a topic exam, and perform a trial tutoring session. 4. Geeklyhub.com. Geeklyhub is completely dedicated to assisting college students with their assignments. This is an on-demand tutoring service with freelance tutors. A college student publishes a task that they need help with. The job will then be accepted and completed by a trained tutor. This might be demonstrating how to solve a math issue or grammar or vocabulary assistance. Every day, you can accept as many tasks as you like. They pay handsomely, with the typical tutor earning $20 per hour. Another advantage is that you may use Payoneer, PayPal, or Skrill as your payment option. 5. Studygate.com. Studygate varies from regular tutoring in such a way that here, rather than picking a task by tutor, time is allotted to each student. At Studygate, you assist pupils with their schoolwork, assignments, and tasks. Tutors at Studygate specialize in math, science, business, humanities, and programming. A pupil posts what they're having difficulty understanding. Tutors will then bid on the ability to assist the student. The student may then review your profile and select the instructor they believe will be most helpful to them. Hence, you need to have a very well-optimized profile. Pay scale varies from task to task. However, Studygate claims that their tutors earn $1,300 per month as a part-timer. 6. Wizen.com. Wizen provides students with pay-as-you-go pricing alternatives, allowing them to avoid committing to a fixed amount of courses. Wizen provides tutors for all levels and subjects. As an instructor, you construct a profile that serves as a marketing tool for your services. Students or their parents look through the profile and contact tutors who interest them. To become a tutor, you must first pass Wizen's 20 multiple-choice questions, which you only have one chance to answer correctly. After passing, you'll be able to create your profile and begin marketing yourself right away. You are free to charge whatever you like, but Wizen retains 25% of your revenue as a fee. 7. Schooly.com. Schooly is a simple-to-use video platform with a virtual whiteboard. Schooly pays off a great amount if you have the required expertise in the specific discipline and your qualification matches the tutor's requirement. Accept sessions when they are convenient for you. Log in and be available to accept instant sessions when you are available. Apply for a Schooly tutoring position by submitting teaching credentials, evidence of education, and a government-issued teaching license. Schooly then prepares you for your first session by familiarizing you with its system through tutor videos, training materials, and trial classrooms. When you believe you have sharpened your profile, Accept fast help requests and start earning money instructing one-on-one in the Schooly online classroom by going online. So what are you waiting for? Build for profiles and start tutoring right away on these websites. If you find the information helpful, then comment, share and like the video and subscribe our channel.